Hi kids! Welcome to Joy for STEM Lab. Today we're going to talk about being generous. Have you ever had to share a toy? Did you enjoy sharing? I hope so. Well, today we're going to make a toy that you can share with as many people as you want. Play-Doh. Yes, Play-Doh is great for sharing. All you need is a cup of flour, 1 cup of lukewarm water, 2 tablespoons of oil, a 1/3 cup of salt, and red, yellow, and blue food coloring, and a Ziploc to share. First, you're going to take your 1 cup of flour and divide it into 3 even parts. 1, 2, 3. So that's about a 1/3 of a cup. Next, you're going to get your salt, and you're going to put 1 tablespoon of salt on each pile of flour. Wow! All right, kids, now it's time to mix. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to take our water and we're going to pour it in 3 different cups. 1, 2, 3. Wow, good job. All right, now let's add our food coloring. 1, 2, 3. Wow, there we go. We have red, yellow, and blue. Whoop-de-doo! All right, kids, now let's add our water to each of our piles of flour to make our Play-Doh. We're gonna have so much to share. Share dough? You know what that reminds me of? That reminds me of the little boy who shared his loaves of bread that was probably made out of dough with Jesus and fed thousands. All right, just a little bit of water. Let's mix, mix, mix. If you need more, you can always add more water later. If it's too sticky, add more flour. If it's too thick, you add more water. Water is H2O. Now let's do our yellow. Pour yellow into the middle, just a little bit. Mix, mix, mix. Here we go. We have some yellow dough. All right, last, but maybe the best, we have blue. What should we do? Let's pour it in the flour. All right, kids, here we go. All right, let's mix, mix, mix. I'm going to add more yellow and blue. Now that we're done, let's see. We have red, ding, 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 yellow, ding, 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 and blue, ding, ding, ding. Wow, look at all these colors. And what's great about it is we can split it up and we can share. Look how all this dough is multiplying. So kids, remember to be generous, just like the little boy who shared his loaves and his fish with Jesus. And you too can make a difference in the world around you. And don't forget that Jesus loves you, and I do too. Bye!